No, ma'am. No. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to another video. If you guys are new here and I am an unfamiliar face, my name is Courtney, and on my channel I usually am into kind of like beauty related things, stuff like that, story times, even though I haven't released any story times, but I got something for y'all. Okay, I got something coming up. But in this video, I'm basically going to be doing a hair review on this hair that I have installed today. This is a wig that I made, and I got the bundles and the closure. Actually, it's not a closure, it's a frontal. It's an ear-to-ear frontal, but I'll get into that in just a second. A little disclaimer, I paid for this hair, okay? So no, this video is not sponsored, of course, and so I'm giving y'all the real deal, okay? So I was not paid. They're not benefiting anything from this, and even if they were, guys, I still would tell the truth. This hair from a company called ISEE hair. This is a very popular company. I think I previously saw that their most popular texture is like a Mongolian curly hair, so that's what I originally wanted to get in the first place, but I don't know, I just switched at the last minute and was like, you know, let me try straight hair because I was really nervous trying a new company for the first time. So I just wanted to play it safe and like get some straight hair, because it's like with straight hair I can always fix it. Like if it's not right, I could cut it into a bob or use it for a ponytail, and I was scared to take the risk, okay? I was scared. So I got this hair from ISEE hair, but I went through Amazon to purchase the hair. And if you guys see me looking off of the camera, I did take a bunch of notes because I wanted to make sure I came hard with this hair review, okay? I want to give y'all all the facts and the details about this hair. So, I've been wearing this hair since January. I got the hair in the beginning of January, but I didn't install it until maybe about the 10th or the 11th. So, it was like, not mid-January, but in the beginning of January. So, I've been wearing this hair in a wig since January, February, March, April. So, it's going on 4 months now. So I feel like I can give a pretty good review on how this hair is holding up. I've been rocking this hair as a wig, so I've been taking it on and off. I do sleep in this wig sometimes just because I'm lazy and I don't feel like taking my hair off all the time, but that's neither here nor there. The shipping of this hair took about 3 days, okay? I ordered this hair on Friday and I got it on Tuesday evening. So that's kind of like 2-3 days, okay? Because I ordered it late on Friday and I still got it on Tuesday, okay? So shipping was super fast. Of course, I am a Prime member, so I'm sure that had a lot to do with it. But this company also has their own website, so you can order through their website. And you can also order through AliExpress and get your hair as well. But I saw some reviews saying that when you order through AliExpress or through the website, the shipping is kind of longer. So girl, I was in a hurry to get this hair, okay? Because I was looking like Bob the Builder, and I needed to do something to myself.
Watch your way of face. You ugly. You ugly.
So yeah, it took about 2 or 3 days and that was great. Shipping time was awesome, okay? So I'm not sure about the quality, how the quality is, or if it even varies as far as where you order from. I've ordered all kind of different hair from Amazon. Y'all, I really am into you know, trying out different hairs and wigs and stuff, and also my clients as well. So I definitely order a ton of hair from different places. So I try to stick with Amazon. Not all the time do I order from Amazon, but when I need my hair quick and fast, I always go through Amazon because I can for sure get my, I know I'm gonna get my order, okay? It's no beating around the bush. I'm gonna get my order. I ordered a 18-inch HD frontal. I ordered 3 bundles of the 20-inch Brazilian straight. Okay, did I give everything 3 bundles of 18-inch? Yes. So right, so that's what I ordered, and I immediately put the hair into a wig. So I never worn the hair like, you know, in a sew-in or anything like that. And I feel like that does have a lot to do with how your hair, how the quality is, you know, how good it lasts or whatever, because you know you got to take care of your hair, whether it's expensive or whether it's not expensive. My initial thoughts when I got this hair and I took it out the box was like, girl, it was so shiny.
I don't like that.
Okay, it was so shiny to where I was like nervous that it was synthetic. I was kind of afraid that it had like synthetic fibers in it. So what I did was I did a strand test, and of course it was human. You know, you gotta test your hair out and make sure, you know, some of these companies, they try to play us, and you gotta be on your, you know, you gotta be knowledgeable in your hair so that when they try to play you, you can know, you know what I'm saying? So I ended up clarifying the hair, not co-washing, clarifying it to strip some of the like luster from it, because the luster was so high it made it look kind of fake. And no, girl, that's not cute. So I ended up clarifying the bundles before I even put it into a wig, and that did help a lot. Like that toned down the luster to where I was like comfortable with it. Okay, all right. After I made this hair into a wig, I did go ahead and color this hair. I used a 40 volume on this hair, and I bleached it twice, y'all. Twice. As you can see, like the color is like super light. So I bleached it twice, and so my review will be a little bit different because I did color the hair. And so this is for like the girls who like to color their hair, or you know, put bleach on it or put a dye on the hair to see how it lasts. And I could not find a video that would tell me if I could color this hair before I ruined it and wasted my time. So guys, here's the video for you guys. Here's the review. Should you color it? Will it, you know, how does it hold up after coloring it? And I'm just saying this right off the bat, do not bleach this hair with a 40 volume. No ma'am. No. After I bleached this hair with 40 volume, the hair started to shed. Not shed, sis, like it was coming out. Now I could attribute to how I colored it, okay? I take full responsibility for that. And plus, the products that I was using, they were professional products, so I feel like the strength was a little bit different. If you are going to color this hair, just take it slowly. Use like a 20 volume, and don't color it for so long. Don't leave the color on, don't leave the bleach on for so long. And make sure you watch it, and you know, don't over process the hair, because I feel like that's what I did. So I ended up over processing the hair, and so I did have to go back with a reconstructing conditioner to kind of repair the hair, and I let it sit overnight for like a day, because I had just spent my money and I made a wig, and then I colored it and I messed it up. Like, my heart. But the reconstructor, it made it snap back. You know, it was still very not very shiny, but it still had that luster to it. It was still, you know, nice and silky after I blow dried it and flat ironed it. So that was a plus. This hair does shed, okay? And I feel like that's normal. It's not like a shedding dog, like every time you brush it, you know, it's like coming out. But I really don't understand when people do reviews and they'll like, oh, it sheds, look at this hair, it's coming out. Like, that's normal. Shedding is gonna shed. Just be prepared for shedding. It's not excessive. Okay, so that, I feel like that's the most important thing. It's not excessive. You're not gonna be walking around shedding everywhere in your bathroom, you know, in your bedroom. It's not like that. This hair was very inexpensive, girl. Yes, so my hopes were, they were not high. Okay, I did not have a lot of hopes for this hair because I was like, why is it so inexpensive, you know? What's the deal? But sometimes, y'all, when companies are upcoming and they are trying to get out there, get their name out there, their prices are not that expensive, because they want people, of course, just like when you are in retail, people run sales because they're trying to attract people. It's a marketing strategy. And so I feel like that's the, you know, with this company, that's what they're doing as well. So guys, y'all gotta hop on the train. Once you see somebody reviewing the hair and you know you like it, you trust that YouTuber, go out and get the hair, because as people keep doing, you know, reviews on the hair, it gets more and more popular, and sometimes the quality changes. And I'm not saying that this company is like that, but sometimes the quality does change and the price point changes. So don't procrastinate, get the hair. Does the hair tangle? This hair does not tangle as bad as I thought. And when I originally colored the hair, I for sure thought that the hair was going to be a mess, a nest, you know, a cat's nest. Is that a cat's nest? Cats don't have nests. Bird's nest. There we go. Oh hell no! I have tangling, of course, but it's not bad. And like I said, I colored the hell out this hair, over processed it, and it still kind of bounced back, baby. Okay, it looks good. I get so many compliments on this hair whenever I go places. Whenever I post a picture, people ask me like where this hair is from. And that's another thing I want to talk about, the frontal. I did order a HD frontal, but baby, you know, that's not, what I received was not a HD frontal. I'm not sure if they got it mixed up or if I accidentally clicked something, but what I originally wanted to purchase and I purchased was a HD closure. And I feel like it wasn't an HD closure. Like I said, I deal with a lot of different types of hair, and I just feel like the lace could have been a little bit better. It could have been a little bit thinner, and it did come pre-plucked, which is great. But you still want to go in and do your own customization on your frontals, because you know nobody knows your personal hairline. So do your own customization. Although for beginners it is a good frontal, and I would suggest you guys do the band method on this frontal, because if the quality of the frontal isn't like great, it starts to lift up in the front part. And so I would say for you guys to use the band method on, if you're making a wig out of this hair, use the band method. It'll help to keep the closure, help it to melt into your hairline. And yes, would I recommend this hair? I would definitely recommend this hair to, you know, people who are on a tight budget. If you don't want to spend that much money on hair, I would probably order this hair. Now, this hair probably won't last for years and years and years. Honestly, just, you know, being honest, it's not gonna last you that long. But like I said, I've been having this hair for 4 months. I did order a 20-inch and I ended up cutting it because I don't know, it was just like a little bit too long, and I am 5'7", so my 20-inch is not normal 20-inch. So it really does, it comes to like the top of my butt. So I would recommend this hair. It's gorgeous. And yeah, like, see, it's not even tangling really. It's tangling a little bit like in that back area, but it's not horrible. ISEE Hair is a really affordable company, and if you guys are looking for a couple bundles and a frontal that won't cost you that much and it colors pretty well, this is the company for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I did not leave anything out regarding this hair. But if I did, make sure you guys leave a comment. I'm here and I will be answering all the questions, okay? Bye guys, see you in my next video.